Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set AM or PM time in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you would like to know how to set AM or PM time here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop, then in this video, I'll teach you how. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, we need to proceed at the button search bar and type for control panel. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear in this window, and once it's here, please navigate on clicking on Open so that you can proceed. Now, the moment you click on it, you would be able to see a window like this, and here you can see the computer settings. And if your view or window doesn't look like this, simply proceed with View By and set it into large icon. So you can see the View By at the upper right side of the screen. Once you have set it, please proceed on locating for date and time. So in my case, it is being placed at the first here at my fifth row. So click on it to proceed. So the moment you click on it, this would show up. Where here, you need to click on change date and time. And from here, you can set the date and time of your PC or laptop. So click on change calendar settings. So from here, you would be able to bring up this window. And here at the date and time formats, you need to proceed with short date. Click this down arrow and set it into DD, MM, and YY. Once you've set it, please proceed on the long date. Okay, click this down arrow and proceed it into DDD, MMMM, DYYY. Once you've set it, go with additional settings. And from here, you would be able to show up a window where you can customize format. Please proceed with time. And under the time, you would be able to see time formats. Please proceed with short time. Click this down arrow and set it into HF, HHMMTT. Then the moment you click on apply, it will be applied here. And if here at the long time, you need to click on this down arrow and proceed with HMMMSSTT. Okay, click on apply once again. Okay, and once you've set it, please proceed with the AM symbol. So here at the AM symbol, you can type any of the AM symbol that you'd like to. Okay, just type that anything here. Okay, in my case, I'll leave that AM. So just type any AM symbol that you'd like to, as well as here at the PM symbol, just like any of the PM symbol that you'd like to. Once you're done, click on apply and then OK. And once you're good, click on apply and then OK. Once you're done, you can now close the window and you're good to go. Okay, so close all of this window as well, and that's it. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.